I feel very good, I feel very happy, and I give God all the glory that everybody came out in one voice to coronate me as their king is something I never thought of. My advice to the Okrika nation is they should learn to be together. There is too much infighting in Okrika. Every day, one family versus the other family, one town versus the other town, one village versus the other village. We are fighting chieftaincy, we are fighting land, we are fighting, but the land has been there. We will die and leave the land and go. There is nobody that will carry house or land and go into grave. They should stop this kind of infighting and forget about the past. In this new millennium, we should all come together and work for the progress of our tribe, our race, our villages, and our towns. Other communities, other races are moving forward, but the Okrika people, we are all just infighting has made us, we appear as if we are confused. Without peace, there is no progress. War has never brought progress. Militancy has never brought progress. Blowing pipelines here and there, spoiling our environment, causing hazards, pollution here and there has never brought any progress. What I advise is anything that can be discussed with the mouth, we should discuss it. There is no need to resort to killing, no need to resort to bombing. The bombing that we are bombing, the environment that is being polluted, is being degraded, it's our own environment. For how long are we going to continue doing that? The fighting that we are fighting, we are killing our brothers. They are killing us. We are not much, and yet we are allowing people to come and kill us. For how long are we going to continue doing that? They will kill the men and marry the women. And so our environment, our villages, our towns are being polluted. They are being penetrated carefully and systematically, but we don't know. So I'm advising everybody to sit back and think. Everyone should wear their thinking cap and consider ways of making peace. War has never brought peace, and it will also not bring peace. What we need is talking with the mouth. Okrika nation should look at people like us. I love the tribe. I am proud to be an Okrika man, and that was why I worked despite all the challenges. I rose to the rank of a brigadier general with the army. The flag I carry is flag of Okrika. I carry Okrika flag, I carry Bloma flag, I carry Nigerian flag. So if they look at us and they go and ask about us, they will know that we fought through the ranks, we fought through thick and thin to be what we are. So they should see us as role models that they can copy. And if we all develop like that, Okrika nation is going to be greater than what it is.